Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a post on Nextdoor. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and delete a post that you've previously made. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Nextdoor. Next, click on your profile picture on the top right hand corner. Then click on My Profile. Then go ahead and scroll all the way down and find the post which you want to go ahead and delete. So let's go ahead and delete one of these previous posts that we've made a couple of years ago. Click on the three dots, then click on Delete. You're going to see this confirmation post, click on Delete, and then your post will be permanently removed. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete a post on Nextdoor. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.